Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. This is my new home and this is week 2 of having the keys basically and renovating. So I'd done quite a bit of painting last week, hadn't really finished any rooms though, so I was edging in to do and what have you. But today, Monday, after work, I have removed what was here, which was a lovely sliding door, bifold door leading into my bedroom. I have removed that, which was very satisfying because I hated it. And actually over the weekend, we managed to kind of lock ourselves in the bedroom by accidentally closing the door and not being able to open it again because it folded the opposite way. So it's a very stupid design. I'm so happy I have gotten rid of the awful door. So I've just pulled that down. I've left it on the floor, of course. So the delightful door is kind of folded up on its hinges, but that is off now. I just need to repaint around here and then get a new door fitted. I'm happy to have no door here for a while. It's not a big issue for me. And now I am going to remove the laminate flooring from this bedroom. I tried to do it from here and so far I've not found an easy place to pull up. So I will continue with this room and then come back to the other room. Okay, amazingly, that laminate came up so easily. Maybe it just wasn't laid very well, but it took me about 15 minutes to pull it all up. And that was it, with the help of a screwdriver. So I'm going to attempt the main bedroom and see if I can pull that up as easily. I don't think I can. I feel like it's tucked right underneath the skirting boards a lot more than the other one was. This one might take a little bit longer. I finally managed to wedge up a piece, so I am now starting to crack on with this room as well. So hopefully I can get this done as well this afternoon. That's both of them taken out, ready to go, ready for when the carpets are going to be laid. And there we have it. Room all done. I can leave this evening. I feel like I have actually achieved something today. The living room before carpet. I do love that I get morning light in here. That was a nice surprise. My daughter's bedroom before carpet. The main bedroom before carpet. The stairway before carpet. I have carpet in my daughter's bedroom. I've also just gone round and painted all the skirting and the windowsill. I just need to do the top bit up there, which you can see is like a cream colour still. And I can start moving bits and pieces into her room. Okay, so here's a quick roundup of the house at the end of week 2. I've got all of the edging done. The walls, there is still like stuff everywhere, but we're getting there. There's a few areas where I've hit the ceiling as well that I need to cover up, but all in all, not too bad. And it's nice to have carpet as well. The kitchen and the dining room, I still haven't managed to touch any of this, but I have managed to get rid of the majority of the boxes that were along here. And then into the conservatory again, I've managed to move a load of boxes upstairs. I managed to get all the big bits of furniture from the storage unit and I put the table and chairs together. So down here we're getting there. Obviously conservatory, bathroom, kitchen is not being decorated. My hallway has now been painted, which is lovely, and I have carpet, which is great. The room of all the stuff is still very much the room of all the stuff. My daughter's room is coming along nicely. I now have her furniture in here. So I'm just putting a few bits and pieces together, getting her wardrobe, her chest of drawers and her bookcase together. So I need to buy her a bed, but it's coming nicely. And I think this blue works really well against this pink. And obviously the wallpaper will be done at a later date in here too. So the end of week 2, I'm feeling a little bit more positive than I was last week. I am back to work now, so I'm having to do things in the evenings, and we've also now planning to move in. So we'll see how much I get done once we're we're living here and I'm working. This week I did manage to get all the carpet in. Obviously I didn't do that, but the carpet is in. I've had some stuff done in the loft. That's all had re-insulated and everything because it was all damp and mouldy and everything up there. So that's been sorted. My hallway has been painted and I finished doing some touch-up bits in the room. So I do feel like I've achieved something this week. Next week, week 3, I don't imagine I'm going to get as much done. I feel like it's going to be little bits and pieces here and there and more of a sorting out of boxes and belongings and packing things away type week. So we'll see what I get done.